Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that we would try out this palette here from Dominique Cosmetics. I saw this in a boxy charm and it intrigued me. It's been advertised as a full face palette. It is the Dominique Cosmetics Transition palette. So if you guys would like to see some swatches, try on and hear my thoughts of this kind of like unique palette, then just keep watching. Now, I just want to clarify, yes, there have been full face palettes before where they give you the bronzers and the blush and the highlights, and then they give you some shadows. However, this does not look like one of those palettes. It doesn't have a separate bronzer section. It doesn't have a separate blush section. It doesn't have a separate shadow section. It's just all neutral shades that you can use however you choose. So down here, you could use this as a brightening shade. You could use this as a setting powder. You could use these as your bronzers. You could use this as your contour. You could use any of these as your blushes. You could use these as shadows and liners. You could even use it as a brow product. Now, I do already have brows done. I tried a new pen product today, which the video should be up or will be up soon. But I was intrigued by this and really wanted to give it a try. Do I have other matte palettes similar to this? Yes, like the Maybelline matte bar one, but that one is very small and I don't feel like it has the range of colors that this one does. So I have high hopes for this one. This really spoke to me. So let me do some swatches real quick and see what we think of the formula. Okay guys, this is the first row. We have Frothy, Natural, Caramel, Toffee, and Honey. Really, really nice shades. Pretty much one swipe color. Now you don't have to swirl much because I'm swirling my fingers a couple times and I'm actually getting like caked up product on the finger. So you don't need that much pressure. Next, we have the second row here. Ooh. These colors are so nice. Wow. So we have Soft and Sweet, Blushing, Chai, Cinnamon, and Coffee Beans. And then the last row here. Okay, I'm not sure there's a whole lot of difference between these two, but we have Hazelnut, Mocha, Ash, Coal, and Smoky. So here are all of the shades from this palette. I'm quite intrigued. Okay, so first off, I wanted to start off with Frothy and kind of dust it under the eyes to see if it has like a brightening effect to the under eyes. Now these are a bit on the dusty side. I definitely think that brightened and lightened the under eyes quite a bit. Okay, so already I like the first shade I tried. Under the eye, I used Frothy, and it definitely brightened things, which I like. Next, I think I'm going to go into Toffee, which is the fourth one, with like a chiseled brush and see if we can add a little bit of contour. I don't know if this is gonna be dark enough. If not, I'll go in with Mocha at the bottom. I feel like that's a little warm, so I'm just going to dip into Mocha very lightly. Okay, that's dark. So let's put a little bit on this side here. This brush might be a little bit too densely packed too for this. I'm going to go back and forth from Toffee and Mocha. I think that worked pretty well. Might have been a little bit too intense right here, but that's why you can always go back in with a powder brush to kind of diffuse things. Next, I'm gonna go in with my preferred bronzing brush. This is the Wet n Wild Pac-Man brush, and I'm gonna go back and forth for Caramel and Toffee, number 3 and number 4. Now it's nice because like if you prefer more of like a sun-kissed burnt look, you have this nice warm tone down here. Or if you have a deeper skin tone, you have coffee bean here. So I feel like they thought about a lot of different skin tones with here, or even if you have a more yellowy skin tone, you can always mix this in with the brown for more of like a mustardy brown color. It just, I feel like this could cater to a lot of different skin tones. Okay, so on this side we are bronzed and contoured. Just contour on this side. All right, next up, blush. I was debating these two down here. So I think I will start off with Soft and Sweet and see what that does. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. Now, since these could be used as shadows as well, they are very pigmented. You can kind of see right where my brush touched my face is where the pigment was deposited. So you would really want a super fluffy, diffused brush for these products on the face. Otherwise, you're gonna get this problem. As soon as you put the brush to the face, the color is gonna deposit. So you want something that will spread it out a bit. But I really like that blush shade. I mean, it might be a little bit on the intense side because of how pigmented these are, but that's really pretty. Now, obviously you don't have a highlight per se in here, but you do have lighter shades if you choose to use a matte highlight to highlight your face. So like I could always take Frothy down the bridge of the nose if I wanted to brighten it like that. I could always highlight my Cupid's bow. So I mean, highlighting is still an option. It's just not going to be a shiny highlight. So all that's left to try, we've tried contour, we've tried bronzer, we've tried blush. Now it's time to get these on the eyes, and I know I'm going to be able to make a look with these shades. I love my like deep purples and my nudes. I love a good mustard yellow. So I'm just going to zoom through this and just show you kind of how they apply quickly. All these blend so easily. Okay guys, so this is the end look and I am obsessed. These blend beautifully, so easily. Highly recommend if you have more mature skin because mattes are the most flattering on more mature skin and these just blend it out beautifully. I feel like this would be an amazing bridal palette, an everyday palette. I mean, I haven't even put my mascara on and I'm already obsessed with it. So, love this. I'm also going to try applying Frothy as an inner corner highlight here. Nice and bright as I expected. Okay guys, so I think I'm in love with this palette. Highly, highly, highly recommend. As of right now, I'm loving this. I think this will probably be what I wear for the entire month. You never know, but first impressions, I love the way they swatch. I love the versatility of the palette. I love the pigmentation and the creaminess of the products. The blendability is amazing. I definitely give this one a thumbs up, A+. Great job, Dominique Cosmetics. Have nothing but good things to say about this. Great mirror, durable, perfect size. I don't like anything bigger than this, so a win all around. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing swatches, try on, and hearing my first thoughts of this palette. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.